Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS lists. And right now we'll be discussing about how to position the list item markers. The list start position property specifies the position of the list item markers bullet points. The list type position outside means that the bullet points will be outside the list item. The start of each line of a list item will be aligned vertically. This is by default. And the second position level is the list type position inside, which means that the bullet points will be inside the list item as it is part of the list item. It will be part of the text and push the text at the start. So I'm going to show you how these two options, how they work together by using this list type position property. So back to our document. This is what we got in our previous tutorial where we discussed about how to use an image as our list item marker. And right now we want to position this our list item marker by specifying list item position, list type position. I'm going to give this one inside and I'm going to give the second one outside. List type position, I'm going to give this one outside. The first one is having inside, the second one is having outside. The first one is our on ordered list, the second one is our ordered list. Can you see when I reload, this first one push to the right side? How can we see the effect very well? You can't understand the effect right now until we remove this. We put a lot of text inside each list, so that's how you can remove it. I have a text right here. I can copy this text right here. I purposely kept this right here. Now let's remove this text and place this long text there so you guys can see the difference. So let's save our document. Let's paste this one in our second one also. The first is on ordered list, which is at the top and is having only one list. The second one is ordered list, which is having this only one list. Let's save our document and reload. Can you see when I reload this one, the bullet right here, the image marker right here started at the same spot where our text is supposed to start. So it pushed our text to the front and it begin reading the text from the markers. Can you see? And the markers and our text go the long way. After it finished, it started from the right place it's supposed to start. Can you see the second one? So the second one right here is another which is having this the same style also, but this one, the position right here is outside because the text started from the right place it's supposed to start. Can you see? It started from the right place, but the way it's supposed to start, but the marker image, the image marker right here is at outside. So that's what I want you guys to note right here. This one is inside our text. It's around the position that our text supposed to start from, and it started from it. So it push our what? It push our text to the front. So this second one started from outside. It's created a space for itself. So that's how the both works together. So now I want to do this in another dimension so you guys can see how it works. Let's remove these images. I don't want to use images in all these things because this is not meant for image for now. List type, I want to use this one as let me just use this, and right here list type, I'm going to change the list type. In our previous tutorial we have discussed about the list type, and I'm going to use let me use lower alpha so you guys can see how all this works together. Let's reload. Can you see when I reload, our dot start from here? Can you see? The second one, our a start from outside. So depending on what you want to do, we can make our a start from inside also. Let's make it inside. Let's save our document and reload now. Can you see? Let's reload now. Can you see? A comes to the place where our text is supposed to start from, and it pushes our text to the front, and it started from here. Can you see? The second, when it now finished the first line, the second line started from the normal place it's supposed to start from. But when we use outside, it's going to do what? It's going to come outside the box. It's not going to disturb our text at all. Let's reload. Can you see? It's not disturbing our text now. It is outside our text. It is outside of our text. Why the same thing happens in this unordered list also? We can come here, change this one also to outside. When we change this one to outside and reload our document, can you see? Now we are having our bullet at the outside. Can you see they are also the same line with this ordered list also, and our text started from the place it's supposed to start from with no any disturbance. But if we give it inside, definitely this is going to start from inside. It's going to create a space for itself automatically. Can you see? It created space for itself automatically inside our text, where our text is supposed to start from, and it now pushes our text to the front, and our text started from here, and when the first line finished, the second line started from the right place where it's supposed to start from. So you should note all this. It depends on what you want to do. I want you guys to practice this, because practice makes perfect. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. But before I go, let me bring this back to inside again, and bring this one back to leave everything inside. Can you see this inside, and when we let everything be outside, can you see this one outside also? Right here, you are going to see the outside, how the outside works. Can you see outside? So that's what I have for you guys today. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. To the next.